In this video, I'll show you how to trade arbitrage using the ICP token. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, please do not forget to subscribe and also click on the like button if the video turns out to be helpful. And also if you have any confusions, please do drop them on the comment section. I'll be there to answer any confusions you have. First, what is ICP? Internet Computer, aka ICP, is a blockchain that lets developers build fast, secure apps and websites directly on chain without relying on any traditional cloud servers. So, in other words, you can say ICP is the AWS of the blockchain. The second thing we want to pay attention to is what arbitrage is. Arbitrage is a way to make profit by buying an asset where it's cheaper and selling it where it's more expensive, taking advantage of price difference. So now with all of this out of the way, we understand what we are about to do in this video. We're trying to buy ICP on a platform where it's cheaper and then sell at a place where it is more expensive. Now, before we do this, first thing I want to do is go out to my browser. Now, once you come to your browser, first thing I want to do here is just click on this search button here. Once I click on the search button, I'll look for ICP. Now, once you see ICP, I just want us to pay attention to the price of ICP currently on CoinMarketCap. We'll come back to this later. So let's go back to Trust Wallet. So we'll go back to Trust Wallet, click on it. Once we're in here, the next thing to do would be to go to the Discover page. Once you go to the Discover page, just type in Valeris Network. This is a decentralized platform that enables you swap or do other DeFi protocol. It's a DeFi platform. So once you're here, the first thing you would need to do would be to connect your wallet if it's not already connected. If you've connected it before, I'm sure it will just log you in back. But if you've not, you'll be required to connect it. So for this, I'm going to connect my wallet. So click on the wallet icon and then click on the mnemonic seed phrase and then authenticate my wallet. Give this a few seconds to process. And as you can see, we are connected to our wallet. Now, the next thing to do will just be, let's confirm our balance and be sure that this is our wallet we're connected to. And yes, this is my address that I'm connected to that ended with 6642. And this is my current balance in I have in the wallet. I have Ether and I have USDT. Now, the next thing to do will be to go to the swap page. Once you get to the swap page, first thing I want to do is just click on this toggle button to put USDT at the top because I want to use USDT to buy ICP. So the next thing to do will be to click on the Ethereum logo and then search for ICP. And as you can see, we have ICP here. I want you to pay attention to the price we are seeing here. This is way less compared to the price we saw on CoinMarketCap. Let's complete the process. So the next thing to do will be to click on that ICP token, and then for this I'll be buying $1,000 USD worth of ICP. Now this is giving me about 439 ICP. I click on the swap and click on confirm. Give this a few seconds to process. And as you can see, we've successfully swapped USDT for ICP. Now once I close this app and I exit the platform, just see my balance here in ICP, and I exit the platform, come back to my home, just give it a few seconds. I think just give it a few seconds for the swap we made to properly reflect. Sorry, just one moment, just give it a few seconds. So let me refresh again. I don't know why it's taking this long to process, but I'm sure it will come up. So just give it a few seconds, and as you can see, we have our ICP balance has reflected. But then there's something really amazing. As you can see in my ICP here, I have 1,156. So approximately I made about $156 just swapping ICP token in less than 2 minutes. This didn't even take much time, and this was even manually done. Arbitrage is known to be something that you want to use AI or bots to run, but this I did it manually without any AI or any trading bots. I was able to trade arbitrage on ICP, and we can click on ICP and check our history. And as you can see here, this is our history, and I swapped that exact 1k USDT, and it turned out to give me this outcome. So guys, if this video has been helpful, please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, hit on the like icon as well, and also put your comment in the comment section if you have any questions. I'll be there to answer you.